Once upon a time, there was a small village called Rainbow Village. Many happy children lived there every day. They played together and laughed happily. One sunny morning, two best friends, Mishti and Rifat, wanted to make something beautiful. They collected colorful clay, soft ropes, and shiny little balls. They worked careful with happy smiles. After a little while, they made a beautiful, colorful basket. The basket had red, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple, orange, white, and black colors. It looked bright and beautiful. Suddenly, a soft wind blew across the playground. The colorful basket began to glow with magical lights. Misty looked at the basket and said, "Wow, did you see that?" Then the basket smiled and spoke in a gentle voice. "Hello, my dear little friends. I am the magic basket. I have been waiting for kind children like you." Mishti and Rifat were surprised, but not afraid. They smiled and said, "Hello, Magic Basket. We are happy to meet you." The basket laughed softly. Tiny colorful stars come out and dance around everyone. The Magic Basket said, "If you always keep your toys clean and help your friends, I will show you a new magical surprise every day." Mishti and Rifat happily said, "We promise we will always be kind and keep everything clean." The next morning, Mishti and Rifat came back to the playground, and Magic Basket was waiting for them with a bright smile. The basket slowly opened by itself. Suddenly, colorful balls jumped out one by one. A red ball said, "Hello, my name is Ruby." A blue ball said, "My name is Blue." A green ball smiled and said, "My name is Leaf." The children laughed happily. They touched every colorful ball. Each ball taught them a new color: red, blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, pink, white, black. Suddenly, golden letters flew out of the basket. Letter A, smile. Letter B, dance. Letter C, wave happily. Soon, many more letters come. The children shouted, "A, B, C is so much fun." Then the magic basket smiled again. Tiny numbers appeared in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The children counted together with happy voice. The magic basket said, "Learning is always fun when we learn together." Mishti smiled. Rifat smiled. All the colorful balls danced around the basket. The playground became full of happiness. Suddenly, the magic basket began to shine brighter than ever before. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. The rainbow slowly calmed down and made a colorful breeze. The magic basket said, "Come with me, my little friends. Today we will visit the land of colors." Mishti and Rifat happily walked across the rainbow bridge. In the land of colors, the flowers could sing, the birds could count, the butterflies knew the alphabet. Everyone smiled and welcomed the children. A little bird song, A, B, C. The butterflies danced around the letters. The flowers softly counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The children laughed with joy. The magic basket smiled and said, "Learning became easy when we learned with love, kindness, and happiness." Mishti and Rifat nodded and promised, "We will always love learning." Soon it was time to go home. The rainbow slowly disappeared. The magic basket said, "Whenever you learn something new, I will always be with you." The children waved goodbye with happy smiles. Dear little friends, did you enjoy this magic basket story? Please like this video, subscribe to Learnixo Kids, and press the bell button so you never miss our next fun learning adventure. See you in the next story. Goodbye.